The British Army has achieved a significant milestone by successfully testing a cutting-edge weapon designed to combat drone threats. Known as the Radio Frequency Directed Energy Weapon, or RFDEW, this innovative technology can neutralize swarms of drones using radio waves. It is also remarkably cost-effective, making it an economical solution in the realm of military defense. The RFDEW system boasts impressive capabilities, allowing it to detect, track, and engage multiple threats across various domains, including land, air, and sea. Its effective range extends to 1 kilometer, delivering rapid impact against targets. This capability is particularly crucial in an era where drone swarms pose increasing risks to military operations and national security. Distinct from traditional laser systems, the RFDEW employs high-frequency radio waves to disrupt the electronic components of hostile devices, such as drones. By targeting these critical components, the weapon can incapacitate or bring down aerial threats, providing a robust defense mechanism against advancing technology in warfare. The successful trial of the RFDEW results from collaboration among several key players in the defense industry, including Thales UK, Kinetic, Teledyne E2V, and Hariba Mira. This partnership drives technological advancement and supports over 135 highly skilled jobs within the UK. Such initiatives align with the government's commitment to enhancing national security through the rapid development and implementation of innovative defense technologies. So, the RFDEW represents a transformative step forward in military technology, providing an efficient, rapid response solution to counter emerging drone threats. As the British Army continues to explore advancements in defense systems,